Good morning, everyone. The last day of April. Hopefully, if you're watching from Goose Bay, you've been enjoying the lovely weather. If you're watching from different parts of the country, well, hopefully you've had some really nice weather. Up here in Goose Bay, Labrador, we've had like plus 10. Today is supposed to get up to plus 15. Wonderful. So today is going to be an easy craft, something to do, maybe while you're waiting for bedtime or the rain comes. You can use it as a small little thing. We're going to do fireworks in a jar. Um, the kids loved it yesterday, though we learned some new things. Not to pour it too fast. But other than that, they thought it was really cool. All right, so first you need water, which I don't have. It's currently on my kettle. So I had some really hot water. So welcome, Adam. Hopefully you guys are ready to make some fireworks in a jar. I just gotta get my hot water. All right, yeah, I just had to get my kettle because I had hot water. You can use warm water. It recommends warm water. I wanted to try it because we tried it with warm water yesterday, so I wanted to try it with hot water and to see if it would do anything different. So you want to fill your cup up with your water, about 3/4, because the oil is going to take over after that. Got your cup. So I have 4 cups. You can add as many colors as you want. I'm just going to do 4 colors. So you want to take oil, any oil. I've got vegetable oil. You can have no oil, whatever oil you've got sitting around. That will work perfectly for this. So you want to add about 2 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing it. Of oil, kind of each cup. Give or take. And then the fun part, choosing your colors. So I'm going to choose a couple different colors. Kind of make it pop. So you don't want to add too much. 2 to 3 drops should be fine. Now, if you're going to notice that they're not just going to spread out because the oil is going to keep them together. So we're going to have to make them bead a little bit more. So what you want to do after that, just take a fork or a whisk, and then you just want to take it and spin it around until you see lots of beads of the colors. Because if you have it in one clump, it's not going to do very well in your fireworks. You need to have lots of beads, because as you pour it out into the water, those beads are going to come down and be the fireworks show. So you want lots and lots of beads. Mix it up until you have all the beads. You want lots and lots of beads. I don't know. Let's see if I can bring it closer. See if you guys can see beads. Yeah, there you go. So you want the beads that kind of look like that. So you want them all mixed up nice and slow. And then one at a time, you want to add them to your water. So you want to take it, just slowly pour it in. Well, experiment number 1. Oh, there it goes. Hot water takes it for a little bit. Takes a little bit for the hot water to do it, but there it goes. The beads are starting to go, and it's so... I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, a little bit. It's starting to turn purple as it starts to do its fireworks show. And add different colors. But you want to make it nice and slow. As it starts to go. And then we found yesterday, take your fork and kind of push down on some of the beads. They're going to release. And then you get more of the fireworks show. But you can't really, oh, there it goes. You can see the blue popping. You can kind of just stick your fork in and you can get the beads going a little bit more. But it looked much better yesterday with the warm water, so don't use boiling hot. Just use regular warm water from your tap and it'll do 10 times better. It'll actually make it look like a fireworks show in the glass. If you're following along, take a video of your fireworks. I'd love to see them. Bet you guys have much better ones than I do. Yesterday, my youngest daughter decided that she was just going to dump everything into the glass. So her fireworks didn't happen, but when my oldest daughter did, she got some fireworks, which is really neat. They thought it was cool. And it's a good learning tool to talk about water and oil and the different densities between them. They thought it was really cool, but the oil didn't go through the water. And it was a good teaching moment. So hopefully you guys get out, enjoy some sunshine. Next week, our plan is a Mother's Day's craft. I will be putting everything up on Monday to do it, but if you have canvases lying around, fantastic. If not, we're hopefully going to use canvases. I will think of other ways in case for whatever reason we cannot get canvases, because the last time I tried to do something, there was no paint in here. But if that's our plan, I will be putting everything up on Monday and hope to see you guys next week. Have a wonderful day and get out and enjoy the sun.